Look! Fairy Island is a mess.
It looks a bit like my bedroom. My dad always tells me it's messy and to tidy it up. What do you think happened?
I don't know. Where is everyone? Come on.
Got the animate.
What's the matter, Pip?
Cheep did a big clear out of her nest yesterday. But last night was really windy and her brewsker was blown all over Fairy Island. And now it's a mess.
It's RTÉ. Glán, das glán.
Nice and clean again. Well done, Cheep.
But what about the rest of Fairy Island?
We can work together, Acordia. All we need is a plan. And I think I have just the idea. We have one for rubbish, one for recycling, and one for compost.
Pip will clear the brewsker from the vegetable patch and apple trees.
Cheep, Blahin and Kuon, can you collect everything that's caught high up in the trees?
And Bomba can be in charge of sorting everything into piles for the bins.
Kinte.
And we can pick up anything on the ground.
Karkalora Amir.
What's wrong, Amir?
But won't we get dirty picking up Brewsker?
No be burha. Ta-da!
Eros. Now we don't have to worry about our hands getting dirty. Thanks, Bamba.
Fairy Island will be nice and gone in no time.
Just glad.
Ed Island.
They're out.
Oh, this is exactly what I need to finish my castle at home.
I've been looking for blue ribbon for my recycling art project. Cheep, can we keep the treasure we found?
Kinte.
Bamba, will you help us clean them?
Hans Moine.
Shame I showed.
It's funny how someone's brewsker can be someone else's shoot. Shoot?
How can that be treasure?
Of course. The compost will help Pip's garden grow.
Das glán.
Fairy Island is clean again.
Maybe next time you're doing a clear out, you'll know what to do.
And who to call for help.